Here we have 4 quarts. And you may ask yourself, what is in each one of these quarts? And I can't tell you. The reason? They don't have labels. We're moving. DipYourCar has been in the same facility for 10 years. And in May, we're moving to a new facility. We've been cleaning out a lot of stuff. We've been reorganizing. And we found a whole bunch of quarts that were made some time ago that never got labeled and never got shipped. And Gabe and I thought to each other, you know what would be fun and dangerous? To grab 4 random, unlabeled quarts, mix them all together, and spray them on a car. This is going to be a disaster. So here's the provisions. We have to use all 4 quarts. We have to use the entirety of each quart. We can't turn back. We only, and I'm just realizing this now, we only get 1 gallon out of this, which is only going to give us 2 coats. So whatever we're left with after 2 coats is it. Probably should have thought about that before we started recording. It's too late now. So we're going to open one at a time, essentially try to guess what it is, pour it into the glass. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. First up. I don't know. Oh, okay. Very sparkly black. And it's not even all the way full. It's a great start.
Make sure nothing's settled in there either.
There probably has been. A little bit of metallic. All right, no solids though. So that's an interesting start because this may now dominate everything that comes after it. Number 2. Anything you're hoping for?
I mean, this is black, so it's gonna make it dark, so something to lighten it up?
Something to lighten it up. That looks like grabber blue, which we haven't even had on the site for like a year. Okay, metallic black and grabber blue. We're
in that navy range?
Dude, if we get a navy out of this, I'll be thrilled.
Doesn't look like it's doing anything.
We may have created a bit of a challenge right out the gate. Do we mix it? No, okay, yeah. I like where your head's at. Quart number 3. Best case scenario though, is whatever we create gives us full coverage after 2 coats, because we've really set ourselves up for a disaster there. Wow. I feel like a spirit just escaped from this. It's been trapped for the last decade. Oh, what the heck is that? Shifting darkness. Okay. Hold on. Can I just do a little peek on this one? Because I don't want this to be black again. It's not. It's either atomic berry or purple haze.
That's purple haze.
Okay. Let's drop that in. So far, I mean, nothing like to really throw us off. Too bad. It's still going to be dark.
Hopefully it covers.
But dude, when we first start to swirl this, do you think the black is just going to engulf everything?
Probably.
Oh, this one's got clips on it.
On the right side.
There we go. This is back when we used to use the clips and not the little locking rings. All right, so are we 3 for 4? Are we in business?
So far we're all right.
As long as this one's playing, we're gonna be good.
Oh, white.
It's freaking white.
Well, maybe there's something at the bottom, hopefully.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe it's a metallic white versus just white.
It just looks like white. Dude, I'm gonna... Just dump it in. I mean, I kind of want to see what that is. This is gonna
We won't have enough to get any coats down without the fourth.
We have to put it in.
Yeah, we have to use it. You set the rules.
Oh my God. It actually might be a metallic white. Okay.
I feel like we're gonna make a lavender with all that.
You think so? So before we even stir it, your guess is gonna be lavender?
A dark lavender.
I mean, I wouldn't hate that. Please don't let the black completely take everything over. It's not even mixing, dude. Or it is on the inside. It's not doing anything on the outside. It's angry.
I was hoping that purple haze would do something.
I don't know if it's doing anything. It's not black. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, but that white came in and pasteled everything. This is...
Looks like you're looking at a planet face on, like Jupiter.
Yeah, it really does. All right, let me show you a little stick of truth, because the middle is mixing. I don't know why the outsides are just frozen in time. This is what we got. Okay, it's metallic. It's this. Is it going to shift at all?
Purple haze has some shift in it.
We don't have anything that looks like that. So the plan is now 2 coats of this, and then we'll seal it in satin next gen just to allow any of the metallics play a little bit of a role.
Sure.
Delete the video and start over?
Yeah, that's another option.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And you know when we do stuff like this, it's all about the journey and the fun of the experiment, not so much trying to hit a home run with the end result. We love doing projects where we have no idea what's going to happen at the end. Now, as far as the end result, the color on the car, I'm going to take it outside right now and you guys be the judge. Take a good look at it. Leave a comment below and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love the way it came out or if you don't. And if you want to change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have a ton of kits and a ton of colors. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I both had a blast on this one. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next video.